Hey everybody, welcome to another video. I'm going to be showing you today our family chocolate chip cookie dough recipe. My grandma made this and my mom made it and now I'm making it. So we're going to be making my favorite chocolate chip cookies, and I'm also going to be making these for a blog post so you guys can kind of see what goes into me making a blog post. This is going to be a little bit shorter of a video, but I hope you all enjoy it and let's get on to it. Okay guys, so we're in our kitchen and I have it all set up. The first thing that we're supposed to do is heat the oven to 375, shortening, sugar, egg, vanilla thoroughly. So we're gonna do that. So I've mixed all this together and the oven is preheating. So the flour by dipping method or by sifting, that's just like you get it very fine. I have mine here. Stir the dry ingredients together, blend it in, and then mix the nuts and chocolate. The nuts are optional. I normally don't make my own nuts, but if you enjoy nuts, you can add those. I just finished up the dough and now I'm just going to stir in the chocolate chips, and then we're going to make them into little balls and cook them at 370 minutes, and then our cookies will be done. I finished up all of the cookies and now I'm going to bake these over there, done baking. Back with y'all and see how they taste. We all just sampled them. They taste so good. I hope that you will try this recipe. Put down below if you try it and what you think of it. Also, I will have the blog post link below whenever I post the recipe if you didn't quite get it from the video. But I hope you enjoyed this video and make sure to give it a big thumbs up.